Hi guys, welcome to Miniautos. Today we are going to unbox our special diecast model because this is our 100th model collection and this is the Lamborghini's 100th year celebration model as well. The Lamborghini Centenario. Okay folks, before gets into the video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get instant notifications. Okay, let's get into the video. I bought this model from Amazon.in for 649 Indian rupees. Please check the description for product details and purchase links for Indian and international markets. Let's crack the box and unbox the model. The package comes with a decent carton box. The model is wrapped with a bubble cover to avoid transit damages. This Lamborghini model is made by Miniauto. It's made in China. This is a 1:24 scale with openable doors and hood at the back. Light and sound options are provided. When we open the doors or we tend to move the car, this will get activated. The model was nicely detailed. Door trim, cockpit are made with good quality of plastics and it was nicely detailed as well. Engine bay also nicely detailed and it was highlighted with the red color paint. You might have noticed a plastic strap at the bottom. You need to remove the strap to engage the battery. Good pullback motor was provided. Specifically has to tell that the paint quality is awesome. It's very attractive. This model was available with two paint schemes. One is matte black with yellow and then, another one is glossy black with yellow. I'll post the detailed in-depth videos on our Miniautos channel. For that you need to subscribe our channel. Follow our Instagram Miniautos scene to get the update unmissed. Click the pop-up card at the top right corner of the screen for our YouTube channel playlist. Okay guys, that's all from today's video. If you love the video, please like it, share it and tell your comments below at the comment section. And thank you for watching Miniautos.